Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use text-to-image AI over on CapCut. So you may or may not know this, but CapCut just came out with a new feature where you can literally just type in whatever you want and CapCut will generate an image for you, which you can also use in your actual video projects. So in order to use text-to-image, literally all you need to do is open your CapCut app just like this. Once you've done that, right here you will see this text to image feature, basically this button where you can click on, and then you can literally just start generating completely for free images using AI. So what you can simply do is type whatever you want. So let's say I want to type a cat. I literally just type cat with laser eyes, just like this. And then it's going to literally just generate it for me within seconds. So we're going to do this. And what you can simply do is click on generate. You can also click on this options button right here, and you can even change the aspect ratio in order to make them fit in your videos. So for example, you are editing basically a TikTok video, you can use 9:16, and you can also choose what style. You can either choose the normal style, which is the one you're currently seeing in the background, or you can use an anime style. Once you've done that, you can simply click on the check mark, and then you can simply start generating just like this, and literally within seconds it will come up with an image, which is extremely cool. Alright, so just a few seconds later, we can right now see that my images has been generated. We can see right now that it's not actually generating really good images at the moment, but the cool part is that you can actually change the aspect ratio. You can immediately use them in your own videos by clicking on those three little dots, and you can literally just save them without watermark. And by the way, this is completely for free, which is extremely nice. So yeah, that's how you can use the text-to-image AI from CapCut. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.